Welcome to this tutorial on how to modify side angle posture. When you come to your side angle posture here and you have your legs wide, at least wide to somewhere that's comfortable for your hips, probably somewhere between the elbow and the wrist. Let's try this onto the left side for me. So we'll take the toes of the right foot coming in and of the left foot coming out. Engaging the thigh muscles so that the knee starts to lock itself, if you like, a little bit, for lack of a better explanation, where you now bend the knee and the knee is above the ankle and the outside of the knee is tracking towards the hip. From here, with the shoulders and the hips facing towards the long end of the mat, we lift the arms. So let's say we start from a warrior 2 here. The option 1 is to come forward and to release the forearm to the thigh, making sure, as if you had a marble at the bottom of your ear, that the marble would slope away from the shoulder tip here. Because if you're here, you'll brunt some tightness in the neck here. So we want to open up, and then here we open the chest. We may well have the hand to the thigh, and to the hip rather, or we may have the arm lifted, or you can turn the palm facing towards your head and then taking it in line with the ear. So here you're still having the shoulders open and the hips opened. Possibly, and often here, we bear quite a lot of weight here. If you're in my class, you'll hear me say, make sure that you're light enough so you can give me a little royal wave. But we could here perhaps take it a little further, and we would take it a little further by bringing a brick on the inside and maybe placing the fingertips here. Remembering if that's starting to be a little too much, or if it's too much at all on the arm, then you can bring the hand to the hip. We're still looking for that opening into the shoulders and the extension at least into the hip to the foot. So we've got this. You could go a little further if you're a little bit more flexible, bringing the hand flat or fist. Some may even have the hand behind, being able to still keep that chest open. So here you have it, a few ways of finding what feels comfortable for you. Have a little play, try it, and always do the other side as well. Thank you. Bye.